guys, welcome back for another video. If you're new here, I'm Felicia. I would love for you to join the family, so consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you won't ever miss out on another upload when I talk about natural hair and also product reviews. So now, let's get into the video. So this month for Curl Box, we have the theme that is called the Rich Issue. So we have received the entire collection of Curls Professional Cashmere and Caviar hairline. So let's get into the first product, which we have is a hair bath. So this hair bath gently cleanses with activated charcoal as it naturally conditions with cashmere and caviar extract. It leaves the hair looking and feeling silky smooth, cashmere soft. And it is black. It's not a... I can't even describe how it smells. It smells luxurious, like expensive like. It has that kind of scent to it. It's not a floral. It's kind of maybe a slight hint perfumey side, but it's nothing bad. It's not thick. No, it's really not a thick, but it feels nice. It feels silky. Alright, so the next product we have is the Cashmere and Caviar Hair Silk. And this is a leave-in conditioner that you can use on wet or dry hair, and it is supposed to melt like butter to help with detangling your hair. Let's see if this is black as well. Okay, this product is not black, it is white. And it has the same similar smell to it. Maybe a little lighter in fragrance as far as the scent goes. Okay, so next with the line we have is a hair gel. This gel is supposed to reconstruct and strengthen your trestle and damaged hair. It also has a light hold and supposed to add sheen and definition. Oh, so this gel, this is a gel? This gel looks like a cream. That is how it, looks. It's definitely lightweight. It's not thick. It's definitely light. It has a very slippery texture feel to it. Cashmere and Caviar Hair Serum. So this hair serum is formulated with champagne and caviar extracts. This growth enhancing hair strengthening treatment is a solution for increasing hair growth and creating unbelievable sheen. This is a very runny, making a mess. It's a very runny consistency. Alright, the next product I have is the Cashmere and Caviar Hair Mask. This smells good too. Looks like that. Yeah. It feels lightweight. It feels silky, creamy. I won't say it's a thick mask in comparison to other masks that I use. I'm not going to say it's very thick. So this hair mask is infused with cashmere and caviar extract, antioxidants, and vitamins to strengthen and smooth your hair. It also helps repair any scalp damage and promotes faster hair growth and of course a healthier scalp. So that's the entire line that we received this month, which I am super excited. I'm definitely going to be trying these products out, every single one of them, and also doing a product review. So that's it, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to hit or smash that subscribe button, whatever you're into, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.